Hello, my name is Uzair, and the question I've been sent is what is the optimal length for a video ad to drive leads to a landing page? Is 2 minutes too long? Now, there is no such thing as a optimal length. As long as your video solves someone's problem, then that is good enough. There is no such thing as an optimal length, be it 6 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 2 minutes or more. What I would recommend you do is you set up different length videos, run it, test it, and see what gives you the best performance. Now, you sent a little bit of background info as well, so I'm going to go through it and reply to that. So I'm preparing videos and video ads for an online cooking course for new plant-based food. Okay. It is basically a veggie burger that can be made into many different vegan meals. The course will only be very cheap as it is only 2 by 10-minute videos and a recipe, although we might build onto this later. Okay, so that's fine. So you've got 2 10-minute videos and a recipe to go with. So that is your course. We want to go worldwide. We don't have much money. I don't have much experience, but understand basic funnels, landing pages, email lists. What you have written here, that you understand funnels, landing pages, and emails, you're pretty much way above most people, because most people don't have basic knowledge like this, and all they do is try and set up a video, run an ad campaign without building the foundation for generating leads and sales. Now, what I would say to you is, because your course is very small, i.e. 2 10-minute videos and a recipe, why not use this as a lead generation rather than selling it? Because I think you mentioned somewhere over here, in the next paragraph, we have made 2 different videos which introduce our product and invite people to click the link to get a free list of ingredients. Then they join our email list and get offered the course online for $10 USD, which gives them the full recipe and our 2 videos. Okay, so your lead magnet is this list of free ingredients, and then you are selling a course for $10 USD. Okay, you can try it and see what happens. When I set up my course initially, what I did was I only had about 20 odd videos, and I believe, I think I started with $9 or $7. I think it was $7, yeah. And as I added the videos and created more content, I upped the price. So now I have got over more than 120 videos in one of my courses. So you can then start to increase the price once you've got more content. My client has been planning this for about a year. Now, this is where it's a bit concerning, because if you have taken a year to create 2 videos and a recipe, then that's far too long. If I was you, I would do this in like 3 days. Set up a couple of 10-minute videos and a recipe and get it online as quickly as possible. But if you are talking about setting up the full course and it has taken 1 year, then still it's a long time, but you just need to get started. That's what I would say to you. We have made new videos and they are nearly ready. Any advice would be much appreciated. I will ask questions as to how to deliver these videos to get video views or keywords such as vegan recipes or plant-based food. Yeah, there is a lot of keywords and a lot of searches being made for vegan recipes and vegan foods. So there's a huge niche and a market for this. So I would recommend that you get started as quickly as possible. So I hope you can answer this question. I've followed you for years. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you're reaching out to us. So brilliant. So thank you, Liz, for sending this question in, and I hope I managed to answer your question. And if any one of you watching this video has got any questions like this one, send me a question, a bit of background as to what you're trying to do and achieve, and I'll do my best to create a video like this one for you. You can send it to info@ sfdigital.co.uk, and I'll try my best to create one for you. Thanks for being with me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.